Hello, my name is Steve Skillman. I'd like to share with you 7 tips of how you can improve the biodiversity in your garden.
The first tip for your garden is to divide it into 2 parts. A more formal part and a wilder part for nature. Flowering shrubs and plants offer safe cover for the birds and have a thick, rich leaf litter full of winter food underneath. The second tip is for your patio. Instead of removing the plants between the stones, see how many wild native plants you can grow there. Tall flowers like mullein love growing in crevices. Third tip, a pond is a great way to bring life in your garden. It will fill with dragonflies, newt, and all the wildlife in your garden will come here to drink. This is the fourth tip. The grass and wildflower meadow at the back is allowed to grow wild as food plants for insects. I cut it with a scythe and only use a mower to cut paths. The fifth tip is to place hedges on your north border in the sun. These all harbour lots of insect species, have an important cooling effect in your garden because of their size, as well as nesting sites for birds. Once you have the bushes and trees, the sixth tip is to hang different bird nest boxes. The 2-hole box is great for redstars. The dense rhododendrons provide lots of cover for young fledglings to hide. The seventh tip is a wood pile for your green waste. Winter prunings layered with the summer hay make a home for wild bees, hedgehogs, beetles and other insects that decay the wood. My large garden needs 3 composts on the run. They are full of worms and even slow worms. I plant wild mulva around them. They like the rich soil, flower all year round and provide food and nectar for the Malvern skipper butterfly.
Thank you for joining me on this short tour of the garden and the 7 biodiversity tips. I hope you also will give nature a bit more of a free hand in your garden and you may be surprised.